What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got the Google Pixel 9 in winter green, and we are going to unbox this, and I'm going to share with you guys my initial thoughts and impressions on this. I got the 128 gig model right here, winter green. It's got a new box design, and pretty much whatever color Pixel you get the same color box. So here is the Pixel 9, and also stay tuned because I'm going to be releasing a Pixel 9 Pro XL unboxing as well. So let's get right into it. Looks like we gotta pull down these tabs. Very intuitive, very easy. Now, if you look at the box, it's made out of different types of material when compared to last year, and it's smaller as well. I'm trying to see if this slides out. There we go. Because I do want to keep this box intact. Like, I don't want to rip this. I want to hold on to the box for now. So if I can get it out, it's actually much harder than I initially thought. Yeah, we see the box right there. I may have to rip this, but I'm trying very hard to preserve it. Okay, there we go. Fast forward, we got the box. There is the silhouette of the Pixel 9. Ooh. Okay, so first things first, we get our paperwork down here. All right. And we get our SIM ejector tool. Obviously, we're not going to be getting any charging brick. Then let's lift this right here, put that aside, and get the USB-C to C cable. It looks like that's all we get for the box. But there we go, the Pixel 9. Honestly, I think this may be like a really good size. And this is obviously going to compete with the Galaxy S24, the vanilla model. But let's go ahead and peel this. There we go. Ooh, this feels really nice in the hand. Wow, I love the look and feel of this Pixel right here. So it's got like not a matte finish on the back, but it's got the matte sides, and it's obviously green. And it's not too fingerprinty. Like, I'm putting my fingerprints on here, but it's not that fingerprinty. It doesn't really have a matte coating on the back either, but nonetheless, it still looks really nice. Fingerprint sensor is now ultrasonic, so that's a huge plus. Power button, volume buttons, USB-C, SIM ejector, set of speakers. And I'm gonna boot this up, and we're gonna take a look at how the Pixel 9 looks. And while that's booting up, just wanna show you quick, I have the Pixel 6 Pro, the Pixel 7 Pro, and the Pixel 8 Pro right here. So these are pretty much 4 generations now of the Pixel lineup, and a lot of things changed with the Pixel 6 Pro. And you can see the camera visor got more and more refined throughout the years, and now we don't really get a camera visor that is like built into the side railings, but it's its own thing. But I gotta say, I love it. And look at this display right there. There we go. Yeah, this is the vanilla Pixel 9. What do you think between the 4? I think it really has matured. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is set up the phone, and I will be right back. All right, so we got the initial setup of the Pixel 9 right here. And the bezels are thin, and they're not super duper thin, but they're pretty thin and symmetrical, I can tell you that. But this display is looking really nice. The one thing I did notice is the camera, the hole punch camera, oddly seems a little bit larger than compared to other front-facing cameras, but it's not going to get in the way of anything. I still think this looks really sleek and elegant. And let's see how bright it gets indoors. So the Pixel 9, wow, that is very bright. Gets a max 2,700 nits of peak brightness, and the 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL get a max peak brightness of 3,000. So this is getting a lot of what the Pros have. Tensor G4, 12 gigs of RAM, and I'm suspecting Gemini needs some more RAM, so it's 12 gigs for the 9 and then 16 for the 9 Pros and the Pro Fold. but everything else is about the same. It's a dual camera setup rather than a triple camera setup, and I'm going to be testing that as well. But color aside, because I think this color is amazing, the feel of this is awesome. And I'm going to be comparing this with the Galaxy S24, so definitely be sure to stay tuned to the channel, how fast it charges, what I think of the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and stuff, and the software, because this is currently running Android 14. They didn't release Android 15 yet, which is a first. Usually with Pixels, it's their new hardware, but it's also their newest device to showcase the latest software, and this still is running Android 14. So that's surprising. Now Android 15 is rumored to be, well, it's slated to come out very soon, but again, it just like, I was like, huh, that's kind of weird how they're releasing this before Android 15. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to wait and see what we get with Android 15. But I didn't check this out at my local Best Buy or carrier stores at all. Like, this is me just literally trying, and I did that for a reason. That's what I usually like to do. And I think color is an important thing. So here it is in the winter green. I think it was the one that stood out to me the most. I also actually like the peony, the pinkish color for the Pixel 9. I have to check that out in person too. But from the renders and pictures and videos I've seen, it looks really nice. Now, I didn't pick up the Pixel 9 Pro. I picked up the Pro XL because this is the direct successor to the 8 Pro. It's a first this year. Pixel 9, this is Pixel 9, which I think is the true successor to the Pixel 8. And then the 9 Pro, which is pretty much this Pixel. Let me put it this way. It's this Pixel 9 Pro XL in the body of a Pixel 9. So it's something that a lot of people were asking for, a Pro device in a smaller compact form factor. You don't need to pick up the larger size to get the Pro stuff. You can get this right now in the smaller Pixel 9 Pro, which is a huge plus. I'm gonna have to check them out, but we'll see. I love the matte finish on the side, always a huge plus. And since this doesn't get fingerprints on the back, I also do like it. Like, it gets fingerprints if you look at an angle, but man, this is looking really good. I think Google has come a long way, and it's gonna be easier than ever to recommend a Pixel device, I think. And these are gonna be even better than before. I mean, Pixel 6 Pro was like a huge leap forward, and each year they just refine more and more, and I think they've done it. I think they've done it this year, but obviously we're gonna have to wait and see. I can't wait to try out the camera too and check it out. But yeah, this has been first impressions on the Pixel 9. Stay tuned to the channel. Follow me on TikTok if you haven't already, because I'm posting lots of short form content video on there, and just videos based on like 1 or 2 thoughts, rather than here where I bring all my thoughts into one longer video. So definitely be sure to check out my TikTok if you haven't already. Links in the description down below. Everything else you want to see Pixel 9, also link in the description down below. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to Superman that subscribe button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.